Before placing the rose in the mold, I'm going to dip it in the resin and let it soak up some of the resin first. Because this rose is made of fabric with several layers of petals, I want the resin to absorb into the material and get in between those petals. This prevents air bubbles from getting trapped in the fabric layers. You'll see me pour the resin into the mold while the rose sits off to the side, still absorbing that resin. Then I'll position the rose in the center of the heart, trying to get it to stand correctly where I want it. This pre-soaking technique is key for fabric flowers. It makes a huge difference in preventing bubbles. I'm using a wide tongue depressor to hold the rose stable while I mix up a second batch of Let's Resin epoxy to bring the resin height higher. Now here's a clever technique to suspend the rose so it's not sitting directly on the bottom of the mold.